What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. If you are an interior designer, you should know how to install the tiles, so it will be better for you to recommend the tiles what I mean to do homeowner. A lot of interior design lack the knowledge of tile. If you're a handyman, you're in a business of tile, manufacturing tile, installing tile dealership, everyone should know the tiles. I mean how they are installed, how at what place they can be installed, blah 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 blah. So these are my 3 books which you should get. The number 1 book you should get is the Complete Guide to Ceramic Tile. This book is very beautifully written. The downside is that it only covers ceramic tile, only ceramic, not the stone, not the glass tile. It's covered a little bit but not in detail, but this is one of the best written, because if you're especially in the ceramic business, then this book is for you. You are going to love it. I mean, by the Black & Decker, I really love it. I mean, because installing a ceramic tile is different than installing a wooden floor, or installing a stone tile or glass tile or a marble. This book is very beautifully written. You just can't go wrong with it. I mean, because this book covers a lot of stuff in depth. And number 2 book you should get is the Ceramic and Stone, because this covers ceramic, stone, porcelain, mosaic, glass, marble. This book is very beautifully written. This is my second, because this is an encyclopedia. Again, you can say, Jimmy, we should get this book first, or this is up to you. You can get both first. I personally like this Black & Decker and number 1. Number 2 I like this one, and then you are just going to love this book. I mean the second one, the Creative Home on a ceramic and stone tiling. You are going to love it. It's very beautifully written. I mean look at this soap bar, look at this tile. Wow, it looks so elegant. Yeah, it looks so elegant. I mean, yeah, my number 7 book also very beautifully written, and my number 3 book will be none other than Stanley Tiling. I mean, firstly I want to tell, I bought this books. I started teaching myself about tiles, manufacturing tiles, installing, because my father-in-law is a tile business. So I'm just feeling jealous. He's earning a lot of money. Why the goodness of heaven I'm sitting on my lazy butt? So I say I'm gonna learn about tile, installing tile, manufacturing tile business, everything about tile. So I bought these books. So yeah, this is my number 3 books about the tiles. Do not tell me, Jimmy, I get this book at 10 years old. This book at that old. Tiles with tile. Even a 100 years old book on tile is still relevant. Okay, the age of the book do not matter. Even the edition do not matter about this book. If you got a new edition, it's good. If you can get a used copy on eBay, it's good. If you can borrow from library, it's good. The links for the books in the description box below. So yeah, this is number 3. This is also covering every kind of tile equipment, like ceramic tile, marble, everything it covers. Especially especially for the equipment section, I like in this book the most. It have a very beautifully equipment section. You are just going to love it. Yes, you heard me right, love it. I mean, again, wow, what a beautiful image, especially for the photographer. For the photos, everything, photos I give to this book the best. But especially for the Black & Decker, it have a little bit like more in detail subjects, I mean, about tiles. Don't get me wrong, both of the 3, anyway you could rank up to you. You wanna buy this one first, buy this one first, or buy this one. I recommend just buy 3 of them. You won't be disappointed. So yeah, these are my top 3 books for the tiles. It was me, Jimmy Geek. Links in the description box. So subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي